Here we are comparing the Hathaway Augusta 8-foot pool table with two competitive alternatives, the Barrington Urban Professional billiard table and the Renaissance Pro 8-foot pool table. Each model brings its own advantages and challenges, making them suitable for different kinds of users. Let's dive into the pros and cons for each. 1. Hathaway Augusta 8-foot pool table. This model is highly regarded for its traditional look and durable build. It's known for being a high-quality, mid-range option, perfect for enthusiasts and recreational players alike. Pros. Affordable luxury, delivers premium features like leather drop pockets at a reasonable price. Durable playfield, 3/4-inch MDF play surface ensures durability while keeping the cost lower than slate. Traditional design, features an elegant mahogany finish and tapered legs for classic aesthetics. Included accessories, comes with cues, balls, triangle, and chalk, making it game-ready. Cons. MDF surface, while durable, it lacks the precision and longevity of a slate playfield. Moderate weight, although not as heavy as slate tables, it may require several people for setup. Limited professional use, more suited for home and recreational play than competitive environments. 2. Barrington Urban Professional billiard table. This model offers a blend of modern design and solid performance, appealing to those who want a sleek addition to their game room. Pros. Contemporary aesthetics, sleek gray with grain finish with modern styling makes it a focal point. Sturdy construction, built with reinforced leg panels and K66 bumpers for reliable rebound. Included extras, comes with a dartboard and rack, adding versatility to your game space. Affordable pricing, a good value for a professional look without breaking the bank. Cons. Assembly required, may take time to assemble due to the weight and complexity. Medium density playfield, not as smooth as higher-end slate surfaces. Not tournament grade, aesthetically pleasing but may not suit professional level competition. 3. Renaissance Pro 8-foot pool table. The Renaissance Pro stands out as a high-end option for those seeking premium performance and craftsmanship. Pros. Slate playfield, provides an excellent playing surface with professional level consistency. Elegant craftsmanship, features hand-carved legs and a premium wood finish, adding luxury to any space. High-end accessories, comes with top-tier cues, balls, and a leather cover. Long-term investment, built to last decades with minimal maintenance required. Cons. Expensive, significantly pricier than other models, making it a luxury item. Heavy and challenging setup, requires professional installation due to the slate bed. Limited availability, may not always be readily available in online stores, requiring pre-orders. Conclusion. Each of these pool tables offers unique features catering to different needs and preferences. Hathaway Augusta, perfect for home use with a balance of price and quality. Barrington Urban Professional, ideal for style-conscious buyers who want a contemporary, multifunctional setup. Renaissance Pro, best suited for those who seek a premium playing experience and are willing to invest in luxury. When choosing a pool table, consider your budget, the desired aesthetics, and the level of play you expect to achieve. Each of these options provides value in its own way, from casual home enjoyment to professional level competition.